What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB, aka Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger, man. And today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber duckbill wing on my Mark V Supra. And this is probably the only mod that I'll be able to do myself. Shout out to my boy in the Supra Discord. He gave me a freaking dope deal. And as y'all could probably already see, there is some clear coat damage and some damage and stuff, but I don't really mind the damage. This will only be on the car for about 6 months until I wrap it and get a big fat wing. Only pay $50 for it. These go for about $400. I just scratched it. So obviously what you want to do before you install it, you want to clean both the wing and this part of the thing. So I got some waterless cleaner. I'm just gonna get my microfiber towel, clean this up real good.
5 minutes later.
Bro, I come in and get some tape. It's pouring rain. It's 2:30. It's the first day of summer and it's raining. This isn't just like casual rain. This is like
raindrops big as hell.
This rain is like thick. Bro, it's clear skies. Oh shit. Joe, so we brought the Supra into the garage so we can finish the install inside. And as soon as we get inside, it stops raining. Oh my God. Let's just get it over with. So I just want to test fit it. So you see that gap is about a finger length. This gap is about a finger length. Let me just, that's good. All right, y'all, so we got the double-sided tape, the 3M adhesive on. What you want to kind of do is peel off half of it like this, so that when you put it on back to the car, you can just peel this red side off and then put pressure back onto it so that it sticks, and it's, you know, just more efficient that way. So it's been a couple days with the new wing on and it looks absolutely amazing. It looks dope in the rearview mirror when you're driving. Honestly, if I weren't doing YouTube and I just wanted to have a super clean Supra, this would be the wing, the little duckbill that I would have, because to me it just looks the cleanest. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't look the craziest, but it looks the cleanest. And you know, it hasn't fallen off the car yet, so however I installed it, I did it right and it's good enough, you know what I'm saying? So here's a good look at it on the car. We're about to get into some very lit and some very crazy shenanigans. If you guys want to see a VQ crash its car doing donuts, oh, you finna crash! Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. God damn, it's bright. I look bright as hell, but the camera settings was weird. But we're on our way to a meet right now. I made the homie drive. This is his first time really driving on the freeway. Get over, bro. It's raining hella hard and there's a thunderstorm.
Pulling up with them drums, we letting it sing like nah, nah. All the house they be running when we come around. We the ones that really run the city.
All right, y'all, so we are at a meet right now. I don't even know what city you are, but we're gonna go see what kind of cars pull up tonight. We'll see if any dope cars pull up. If not, I got my blue shit and I'm just gonna enjoy it. Police already came to shut it down. Hell yeah, that shit fly. One tire fire. My favorite part of the night. What the fuck? Damn! Oh shit! That shit looks sick. Bro, look at all this smoke. I can't see nothing. He's swinging active! This shit get active! Yeah, no! Yes, sir! I don't condone in this activity, but I'm just recording. Oh, hell no, I'm getting on the curb. Already lost his bumper, so he said fuck it. They trying to encourage my boy to do a donut, but I don't know, my boy. I don't know if you that guy, but come on, show me something. Bro, he's finna blow his shit. Oh, fuck. What the?
Park it.
Damn, I got rubber in my eye and all that.
Get out the pit! Get out the pit! Come on!
Move your big ass. He's not done. Hey, the VQs is almost there. Oh, you finna crash. What the hell going on, man? My boy blew it. You over it. Hey, the VQ's gotta go home. Yeah, that motherfucker sound nice. We get some double action going on. Oh, we'll see. Come on, man, spin that bit. Oh, he's gonna bang into it. Hey, I think he good though. Hey, you straight? You good? Damn, they don't see the police lurking. The police lurking, y'all better block them. Y'all better form a barricade. Why y'all running like y'all guilty? He doesn't even give a fuck. Damn, they're harassing the police now. They're telling them to swing it. Damn. Tell him, bro, to swing it.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch or a yellow bone. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.